First drive of the Saab. I want to get the wheels on the grass here, kind of straighten up. All right, go ahead and stop. I'm going to test the brakes. Yeah, okay, all right. All right, I'm going to move everything. One of the first things I did once the car was home was to get all the stuff out of it. There were a lot of parts. Most of the parts were for an aero kit, the wide body panels, whale tail wing, and all the metal parts to affix them. The missing body side moldings were there too, as well as headlights, grille, a Bosch fuel injection control module, third brake light, coil springs, and other bits and bobs. I'm going to sell all the aero parts off and keep some of the other stuff. As soon as I brought the car home yesterday, I polished a little sample on the other side. This is the worst of it here on the hood. So I want to do a section here and see how it comes out. So a little warm soapy water. A little rinse. Dry it. I'm going to use Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Oh, just do a little hand buff. Definitely use a little more work. There's some sap here. Again, or bird poop. And let's try a little wax. Now, I could definitely use an orbital polisher. And there we go, just a bit of a how's your father, kind of a Bob's your uncle. On the worst part, the hood and probably the roof here are the worst parts. It's probably a good 10-footer. I definitely want to do it with an orbital polisher on the rest of it. I wouldn't, if I had to do it by hand, I would, but maybe one little section at a time. But, you know, for a 30-year-old car that's been probably spent the last decade or at least kind of neglected and in a storage unit and left outdoors, it doesn't look too bad. It didn't come up too bad. I collected all the receipts and paperwork I found. The original owner's phone number is no longer in service, and the documentation shows a one-owner car from new until the year 2000. But after that, the paper trail ends. The investigation into the car's history will have to wait until after I get it running and registered.